English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1. Famous, group, know. Famous. Famous is an adjective. A1 learners usually know famous. Famous means known or recognized by many people. Here are some examples. He is a famous TV star. She wants to be famous one day. London is one of the most famous cities in the world. Group. Group is a noun. A1 learners usually know group. A group means people or things that are connected and in one place, as well as people who play music together. Here are some examples. He plays in a pop group. The group meets once a week. The girls are in different year groups at school. Know. Know is a verb. A1 learners usually know. At A1, to know means to have information and to ask for information. Here are some examples. I want to know more about this. He doesn't know what to do when he leaves school. Do you know where the cinema is, please? Now write some of your own sentences with famous, group and know. Download the free A1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.